Obi joined the FCT chapter of the Labour Party and supporters who trooped into the National Secretariat in solidarity with Abure after the 2024 National Convention held in Anambra State. Base party members in the FCT came to welcome Julius Abure and other members of the National Working Committee of the party after its national convention. This is the first time Peterobi is joining the National Executive Committee of the Labour Party after the much-debated National Convention of the party on March 27, 2024. Peterobi was absent at the last convention of the party, which the Nigerian Labour Congress described as illegal. His silence after the convention has raised doubts about his loyalty to Julius Abure-led National Working Committee.
We didn't know that the presidential candidate will be here today. I actually had a meeting, one-on-one meeting with him for 12 noon or 1 p.m. And this program was initially for 12. By 12 o'clock, we were not ready for the program. And by 1, he started calling me that he was ready to meet with him. I was forced to tell him that the FCT chapter was paying a solidarity visit.
Very fast.
And in his usual way, he said he was coming. And so he is here today. He's also a testimony. He's a testimony. It's a testimony to his humility, his steadfastness, and his support for the party. When he is quiet, a lot of people misinterpret his quietness for whom he is. But I will leave that for another day. Labour Party, a new Nigeria is possible. A new Nigeria is here. A Nigeria that works for the people.
It's possible.
Nigeria that is interested in the welfare of the people.
It's possible.
It's possible. I am sure that we can achieve it.
Yes.
Labour Party will try that process to achieve it. Yes. We will team up with all right-thinking Nigerians. Nigerians who believe in the vision of new Nigeria. Yes. Wherever they are, we are dedicating and bring them to the answer.
Yes, sir.
So that we can collectively work in the interest of the country, reposition it for greatness and for effective service delivery to the people. Yes. I want to say this clearly. The convention has come and gone. All those who are still angry with us should team up with us.
Yes, sir.
We want to appeal to all our country who may have one grievances or the other to team up with us to build the party for a new Nigeria that we have in vision. Yes. I believe very strongly that personal interests should be put aside so that we can team together and envision and pursue the new Nigeria that we envisage, which we believe is very, very possible.
First is that I thank all of you who are here for this visit. Thank the Almighty God for bringing you safely, and I'm sure He will take you back safely wherever you are. Like the chairman has said, I had a private meeting with him for a particular time, 1 o'clock. And I arrived Lagos for that meeting. And I said, Chairman is one. He said that the people of Abuja, Labour Party is in the office. And I said to him, okay, let me also come and greet them.
Yes, sir.
So my own is greeting. I'm sure we will, and I've heard what you've said about the issues of the upcoming area council election. What you've said about our party and everything, and I thank you for all your comments. And I assure you that we will be there with you. We'll be there with you. We'll do whatever is possible. We'll make sure that everything is done properly and everything. You listen to the chairman talk about the party, about those who are grievance, of everything. All we want is reconcile in order for us to be one family.
Peter Obi, in a clear display of his genuine concern for the people, has reiterated his focus in the well-being of Nigerians who are currently grappling with hardship across the country.
And I assure you, I'm doing whatever I can in my own position, and I'm sure every one of you are doing the same thing. What I always say to people, elections have come and gone. We're not talking about how Nigerians will eat. That is the most critical thing for me now. We want to talk about food. We have to talk about caring for the people. We have to talk about security of the people. We have to talk about their education. So if you follow me every day, you see that I'm going around talking about education, talking about health, talking about poverty, talking about water. That's what I do now, every day. And that is important to me until the next election. When the next election comes, we'll talk about the election. But for now, let's talk about how we're going to survive till then. It is important because we politicians always focus on election. No, I disagree with that. Let's focus on the human being. When they survive, then we can talk about next election. So let's remain prayerful. Let's remain prayerful for Nigeria. Let's remain prayerful for Nigeria. If Nigeria is working, Labour Party will work. If Nigeria fails, there won't be Labour Party. There won't be any other party. So let's focus on Nigeria and see that Nigeria works. And I urge all of you, remain prayerful for our country, always do the right thing, but most importantly, let us together. We have no other country except this one.
Absolutely.
And we must stay together to make it work. Labour Party.